Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add an email account to your iPhone. So first we're going to go to settings, we're going to scroll down to mail, click on mail, we're going to click on accounts, and we're going to say add account. Okay, we're going to say to other, click on other. I would have given you instructions on details that are required. So we click on other and we're going to say add mail account, enter in our name. So here we've got Jennifer, that'll do. Email, it's the email address that I would have given you, which in this case is me. Okay, then we're going to do the password, making sure that you are getting your spelling correct and that it's exactly the same. Description is just so you know what it is when it appears in your list. Next. Okay, we're going to set up either an IMAP or a POP. IMAP means it's on the server and you can manage it, all your emails across your devices from a server level. POP downloads it to your computer. So because I've got a POP on my computer, I'm going to keep this one as just an IMAP, as it's really just so I can see the mail coming in. So we've got our name, our email, our description. We're going to put in our incoming mail server, which is always just going to be mail dot whatever your domain is. So for me, it's gemwebsitedesign.com.au. Username is going to be the full email address. Oops. So we might have to repeat some information again. So we just enter that in. Okay, it has entered my password in for me. Outgoing mail server, again, this is going to be the same. And we're just going to say mail dot blah blah blah. Username, password's optional, but you know, may as well. We've got it, so we'll enter it. And again. Okay, click next. And it's giving me the ticks, which means it's all gone in. I'm going to say yes, save. And so now if I go back to my mail, you'll see that my new one is here.